The Plantronics CS540 is a wireless headset made for multi-line office or business phones. It comes in two wearing styles, over your ear and a headband up over your head. The first thing to become familiar with the Plantronics CS540 is the base. The back of the base is where you will plug in all the cords that came included with the unit. First is narrowband wideband switch, power jack, handset lifter EHS cable, telephone interface cable, and auto answer switch. On the bottom, A through G is the compatibility slide switch for your telephone. Then you have two dials, one for speaker volume and one for microphone volume controls. To install your CS540, first unplug your handset cord from your telephone. Next, take the telephone interface cable and plug into your phone. Plug the other end into the back of the base unit. Next, take your AC power cord and plug one end into your wall. Plug the other end into the back of the base. And last, take your handset cord and plug into the middle of the telephone interface cable. When the headset is off, you can use your handset and telephone like normal. At this point, put the headset into the base and allow it to start charging, and it's ready for use. Now to take a closer look at the controls of the Plantronics CS540. In the middle of the headset is a silver button, which is the call control button. This is what turns the unit on and off, and if you're using the optional handset lifter or electronic hook switch cables, this is what allows you to answer and hang up remotely. Out the back of the headset is the volume mute button. By rocking this switch up, it increases your speaker volume. Rocking it down decreases, and if you push the button in, that mutes the microphone. And last, the on-off LED indicator will flash white when the headset is in use. This concludes the setup guide for the Plantronics CS540 wireless headset.